Cheesy pasta recipe. Put oil in the cooking pan. Add garlic and ginger. Keep cooking until you smell the aroma of ginger and garlic paste. Add mushrooms. I will also be sharing other healthy recipes on this channel, as healthy eating is also one of a holistic living practices. Keep cooking. Add milk. Keep cooking. Add all-purpose flour. One tablespoon. Keep stirring until mixed properly. Add 1 chicken cube. Keep stirring until mixed properly. Add oregano powder. Add black pepper powder according to your taste. Add salt according to the quantity of pasta you are making. I am adding 4 cheese sauce, which makes this recipe unique from other white sauce pasta. You can use cheese, but it won't give you the same taste, so I wanted to clarify. Use the whole pack. Mix well. Add some more black pepper powder if you think it's needed. Add pasta. Keep stirring to mix the ingredients well. Add some water, only if you think it's needed. I added some more water because I wanted to add some more all-purpose flour. Keep stirring until mixed well. Don't do this if you are not an expert in this technique, as it might leave lumps. So be careful about the consistency from the start if you are a beginner. If you like spicy like me, you can add some more black pepper powder in the end when it's finally cooked. And so it is done. Now let's dish out. Trust me, it's different than other white sauce pasta recipe. So I'll see you guys in my next video with another holistic living practices. Bye.